Well, sitting here at the McDonald's drive-thru. Can you see all that? It's snowing out like fucking crazy. And I'm driving in it. But first, I gotta get me some fast food. Sure, it's not the best thing to be eating, but it's just food. No big deal. You know, if that guy taught us anything, you're just not supposed to eat it for 30 days straight, 3 times a day. Other than that, I think it's fine. It should be a reward, really. Fast food should be a reward for in-shape people, not a treat for every fat person to make them fatter. I'm just saying, like, you know, you hate on me all you want, but it should be, you know, they should only make the doors, like, I don't even know, like, this big, you know, as big as a healthy person, just to get in. Yeah. Didn't realize to pull up closer. Gotta open their door. Oh, they dropped some shit too, because they're fucking boring. Anyways. Yeah. Oh, the guy's yelling. Alright.